Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. You have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and very cute charming ideas of pixie haircut with side bang. Many much more latest ideas of pixie haircut and beautiful ideas of bang in short hair with beautiful hair dye, attractive hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. Many much more beautiful ideas of latest cut, latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And so cute ideas of bang. Chin length bang, nose length bang. And so attractive ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, dazzling blonde. And gold blonde. So beautiful collection of burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, and some ideas in funky colors. So attractive collection of highlights in short hair. Beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, and in ash color. And so cute ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And messy hairstyle. Many much more beautiful collection of beautiful hairstyling in pixie in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection new ideas. Take care and bye bye.